What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another one. Today we got Chillin' Rain ETB from Target. Still probably might be online. If it is, go check it out, target.com for retail. Get yourself some Chillin' Rain and let's pull some golden Snorlaxes. Also, went to Dollar General today, and lo and behold, we found some Sword and Shield packs. We got 7 of those in the Chillin' Rain ETB, and we're still hunting that gold Snorlax. Let's see if he can make an appearance today. Just got this in today. Straight to ripping it. Player's guide. Slowking VMAX would be nice. There he is, Mr. Fat Boy. And look at all these rainbow rares. So sick, so sick. Enough for looking. Let's get to see if we can be pulling any. Here we go. Let's see what we can pull today. Now it's been a while since we had any Pokemon in, but we finally got some in. Fire Energy. Porygon 2. Thwacky. Echoing Horn. Sobble. Ledeba. Swovit. Crabballer. Grookey. Shuppet. Reverse. And Galarian Slowking Hollow. Alright. Maybe it's a sign. Never know. Fighting Energy. Sabled. Larion. Expedition Uniform. Furfrou. Diglett. Larvesta. Inkay. Rockruff. Running through the snow. Malamar Reverse. And Shadow Rider Calyrax V. Here we go. That is our first Shadow Rider Calyrax pulled for Chillin' Rain. Such a beautiful card. Get him sleeved up along with Mr. Slowking. Of course, Calyrax comes out of the Calyrax box. Such a beautiful, beautiful card. And again, Mr. Slowking. Alright. Not too shabby. Second back in. Hopefully the luck continues. Lightning Energy. Fiona. Fire Resistant Gloves. Crabominable. Lapras. Blitzel. Aron. Deerling. Running through the forest. Delibird. Feeny reverse. And Doug Trio. Non-hollow. Can't win them all. Leaf Energy. Old Cemetery. Reboot. Agatha. Ghastly. Lidiba. Porygon. Swirlix. Sneasel. Cybold. Reverse. And Wheezing. Non-hollow. These trainer reverses are always cool to pull. Now if we can get some trainer full arts, that would also be wonderful. Four more packs left. Halfway through. Energy. Spiral Energy. That's a sick card. Honey. Avery. Larvesta. Mareep. Heracross. Clobus. Grookey. Venipede reverse. And Tornadus V. Woo. The centering on that bad boy is just wonderful. But we just look at the artwork. And that is some sick artwork. Into the sleeve it goes. Beautiful card. Water Energy. Scroll of Skies. Dynatree Hill. Steenie. Snover. Blitzel. Ghastly. Coughing. Delibird. Spheal reverse. And Gengar hollow. With the tongue out. Sick artwork. Very cool. We'll just set him there for now. And go like this. Beautiful. Last two packs, Chillin' Rain, then hopping into Sword and Shield. Can Mr. Fat Boy Snorlax come out in the last two packs? Energy. Ledon. Old Cemetery. Impact Energy. Sneasel, Weedle, Galarian Farfetch'd, Rainy Form, Cast Form, yeah, Larvesta, Crabballer, Reverse, just wanted to come out, and Gorlurk, non-hollow. Alright, last pack of Chillin' Rain. Can we get some last pack magic? Psychic Energy, Karen's Conviction, Weeding Gloves, Porygon 2, Galarian Farfetch'd, Porygon, Heracross, Sobble, Inkay, Cobalion, Reverse, and Melanie Full Art. What a beautiful, beautiful card. Not Mr. Snorlax, but we will definitely take it. Beautiful, beautiful card. Sleeve Melanie up right away. Alright, out of 8 hits, I'm not complaining. 8 packs, not 8 hits, 8 packs. Galarian Slowking, Shadow Rider Calyrex V, Tornadus V, Gengar Hollow, and Melanie. Definitely love Chillin' Rain. Love that it's just sitting in retail stores. Make sure you guys check out Target. Get your Chillin' Rain ETBs for retail. Pull some fire. And let's see if we can pull some fire from the Dollar General Sword and Shield packs. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Sword and Shield. $10 General. Pack the heat. Water Energy. BD. Ordinary Rod. Seeking. Galarian Ponyta. Maul. Shelter. Grookey. Scratching his head there. Snom. Scorer Bunny Reverse. And Thievul. Non-hollow. Energy. Pokegear 3.0. Thwackey. Big Charm. Grookey. Snom, Mana, Galarian Zigzagoon, Sizzlepede, he's watching you, Air Balloon, and Oranguru Hollow. Just hanging out. That was very cool artwork. I like that one a lot. Great pull. Who doesn't love a good balloon?
Bruh.
There's Mr. Snorlax trolling us, even on base with Sword and Shield. Energy, Crushing Hammer, Ferrothorn, Aurora Energy, Maracus, Sobble, Galarian Ponyta, Maul, Shelder, Rhyperior, Reverse, and Turtornado, non-hollow rare. Spitting some fire out at ya. Why don't you spit some fire out the next pack for us? Here we go, right into it. This is the one. Leaf Energy, Galvantula, Lumberry, Maul, Shelder, Grookey, Snom, Mana, Bisharp Reverse, and Snorlax V. Trolling us on the last pack. Spit out some fire on this pack like they said they would. Beautiful card. Too bad we did not get to pull Mr. Golden Snorlax. But we did pull a Snorlax. Energy, Hitmonlee, BD, Ordinary Rod, Gossifleur, Galarian Zigzagoon, Krabby, Ferroseed, Rosalia, Sobble Reverse, and Roserade, non-hollow. Two more packs of Sword and Shield. Glad to see Mr. Snorlax came out to play. Water Energy, Bisharp, Energy Switch, Galarian Linoon, Ponard, Mudbray, Maracus, Sobble, Galarian Ponyta, Cottony Reverse, and Musharan non-hollow. Rolling around. Alright, can we get some last pack magic again? Chillin' Rain brought it to us. Can Sword and Shield bring it to us? Water Energy, Team Yell Grunt, Hyper Potion, Galarian Stunfisk, Ghastly, Rosalia, Goldeen, swimming through the lily pads, Clobopus, Rhyhorn, Stone Journey Reverse, and more Pico V on the last pack again. Beautiful, beautiful card. Can't complain, can't complain. Out of the ETB and the packs from DG, we got the Morpeko V, the Snorlax V from DG, and the Arn Guru, and then out of Chillin' Rain, we got the Gengar, the Tornadus V, Galarian Slowking, Melanie, beautiful, beautiful card. And your Shadow Rider Calyrax V out of the Shadow Rider Calyrax box. Beautiful, beautiful pulls today. That's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll be back with some more. Catch you on the next one. Peace!